What's up, YouTube? It's Eryan with Siegfried's Motorwerx. Here today we're introducing a new series that we're doing, and that is going to be called budget builds. So for our first budget build we're doing, we're going to be building a $1,500 cafe racer. So what that means is we're going to buy a bike, we're going to transform it from what it was into our version of a cafe racer. So to start things off, we already have the bike, so we're going to introduce our 1992 Honda CB750 NightHawk that we're going to be doing cafe racer build on. This bike has 44,273 miles on it at this time. It is an awesome running bike, and we paid $300 for it, so we already are down to working with a $1,200 budget as far as getting this thing looking right. But here's a startup video so you can hear what it sounds like. So at any rate, the next step is we're going to be tearing this thing down, and we're going to be figuring out exactly what we want to do with this thing, and obviously working within our budget constraints for this build. So as soon as we get a lift clear, we're going to get this NightHawk up on, and we're going to get down and see exactly what we're working with. So thank you so much for watching. If you can, please like and subscribe to our channel, and you can follow this build as we go along. Hopefully we'll be doing at least a video on these once every week or every other week, depending on how we do as far as waiting for parts. So here's the teardown.
Shut up and sit down.
Fucking go in. Well then, we just get it.
This is the stock slip-on that was on it, or not stock, but it's a Mac 4-in-1 exhaust that's chrome. It doesn't fit what we're doing, so what we're going to do is take this exhaust and have it powder-coated gloss black. We're not going to do anything to the headers because we're going to end up wrapping the headers in some kind of heat wrap, so this piece is going to stay on the bike because it's already a performance pipe. That's like a $300 exhaust that I was going to buy and literally had my car to order.
Alexa, I don't fuck with you.
I Don't Fuck With You, exclusive by Big Sean, featuring E40, starting now on Amazon Music.
Alexa, play If I Die Young from Glee.
If I Die Young, Glee Cast version by Glee Cast, starting now on Amazon Music.
If I die young, bury me in sand, lay me down.
Alexa, play Untouched by the Veronicas.
Untouched by the Veronicas on Amazon Music.
Alright, well, we just finished up the first day of teardown on what we wanted to get accomplished. We measured the forks because we're going to be doing a clip-on system for that. We got the bike stripped down so we can at least see what, if we do have to do anything with the frame, that we're going to have to get a seat first to figure all that out. But that's where the bike sits now. Just got to get some stuff ready for powder coat. And once we mock up the front end, as far as the clip-ons go, and we're also getting a cow headlight, change of a headlight as well. But once we have the front end mocked up, we're going to be pulling that apart, doing new fork seals, and also sending out the fork lowers for powder coat as well. So thanks so much for watching this video. If you're interested in staying tuned on this build, hit the subscribe button and you can see all the videos as they come out. Thanks so much. Have a good day.